Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And both Bank Nifty and like not Nifty, but Bank Nifty definitely giving a flat closing in weekly charts, and Nifty giving a very bullish closing, right? So what can we expect over here? But if you see in the daily charts, first talking about daily charts, we saw a very good fall as expected on Thursday, but on Friday we saw such a good move in Bank Nifty, and the whole fall pretty much got covered, right? And in Nifty, if you see, we didn't see much of a sell off in Nifty, but in Nifty, that's why we saw a very good move on the upside. And I think in the weekly charts, if you see, right, Nifty has taken resistance from the all time high once from this area, and now Nifty has broken out of it. So I think in this week, we can see a very good momentum, especially in Bank Nifty. Either we can see 45,000 on the upside or 43,000 on the downside, right? We can see a move on either side because there hasn't really been a lot of movement in the last like 5 weeks. If you see, market is pretty much hovering in this whole area of kind of 44,500 to like 43,500. This 1,000 point range, market is pretty much just staying in this range, right? Not so much with Nifty, but definitely with Bank Nifty, right? So from here, two things could happen, right? Either we start moving down again from here. I'll go through the levels in smaller time frame, but either we start moving down from here and go down till 42,800 to 43,000, right? Or either we start moving up from here and go up till 45,000, which seems a logical target. The first logical target on the upside. In Nifty, if you see, Nifty is ready, also ready for a breakout, and most probably our first target can easily be 19,000 from here. And I think we can also see an up move on the we can also see an up move till 19,200 in Nifty, right? If we start moving up from here. If we start moving down from here, then we can also see 18,200, 18,400 and 18,200 on the downside in Nifty, right? But when can we go bearish and when can we go bullish? In the daily charts, if you see, Bank Nifty has made an inside candle. So over here, 44,080 is the upside level that you need to watch out for. From here, if we break out and start moving up, do not hesitate to buy over here. And most probably, and your target, first target can easily be 44,450 on the upside, right? And your second target will be 45,000, which could come not I mean which may or may not come in one day. I think, yeah, I mean, how can it's very rare for the markets to move 1,000 points from here, right? So we can expect 45,000 also in this week itself. On the downside, if we start moving below 43,500, right, then our first target becomes 43,000, which is a round level, and second target becomes 42,800 to 750 on the downside, which is this support level over here, right? In Nifty, if you see in the daily charts, Nifty waited a little bit in this range and now is starting to move up. So I think we can expect a clean momentum till 19,000 first of all, and then maybe Nifty might wait a few days over here and then go even higher till 19,200 on the upside. On the downside, we should not go below 18,700 to 710. So this last candle low should not be broken, because if this is broken, then we could expect a sell off till 18,400 easily on the downside, right? So talking about Bank Nifty in the 15-minute chart, if you see, now the levels to be watched out in Bank Nifty are 43,690 first of all, 44,080 and 43,500, right? So below 43,690, if we see a bearish price action being made in 15-minute chart, say the market, say the market is maybe opens near 43,800, goes down below 43,600, takes a little bit of pullback and takes resistance from this level and then starts moving down, then we will go aggressive on the selling side, because now the trend has changed and we can then expect a very fast momentum on the downside again till 43,000, right? But where should market open, like where the market opens tomorrow is also very important, right? Because if you open flat, right, if you open flat, then there is pretty much not it doesn't make sense to go ahead and take a short position over here, right? Why? Because over here, if you see, the market's whole structure is bullish, right? Markets are kind of making a higher pattern over here, so this is just a pullback. And if we open flat, then most probably once we cross 44,080, this will also be just a pullback, and then we can expect an up move to higher levels of 44,500 and 450, right? So if we open flat or if we open with a gap up, anything, we will not go ahead and take a short position. We will only take a short position if we open somewhere near 43,700. Once we start going below 43,700, you can go ahead and initiate short positions. But once you see bearish price action being made in 15-minute chart, that is the time where you go aggressive. Your first target will be 43,500. You can book all of your positions over here and then take a fresh entry once we break 43,400, or you can hold your short positions over here if the market closes near 43,500 itself, right? Market should not go ahead and reverse from here, right? Because this is a very good buying zone. So if the buyers would be interested, as soon as we come near 43,500, you will start seeing selling and bullish price action being made over here. So if the markets just close over here itself, right? If the markets maybe consolidate over here and close over here itself on Monday after opening with a gap down, say somewhere near 43,700, that is when you can hold your positions for overnight and take them home, right? If we see again buying happening from here, then markets may stay in this range of 44,080 to 43,500 for maybe 2 or 3 more days, and then maybe we could see a momentum on either side, right? On the upside, even if you open with a gap up above this level of 44,080, wait for the first 15-minute candle to make a high. Once that high is being made, once we cross that high, that is when you can go ahead and initiate short positions, initiate long positions in Bank Nifty, right? Talking about Nifty was definitely way more bullish. I said that until and unless we are in this range of 18,793 to 670, will not take any sort of a trade. But yeah, I wasn't expecting Nifty to go ahead and break this high. Anyways, even if you would have taken a trade above this level, you would have gotten a very good profit. And if you're holding your positions, keep your SL at 18,760 to 755, right? Because this is the range from where Nifty should not go below. So if we say open with a gap down, same thing with Nifty also. If you open with a gap down, only if you open with a gap down, that is when we'll go ahead and take short positions. Our first target will be 18,700 to 710 on the downside. And if we close somewhere near over here itself and do not reverse from here again, then we can go ahead and take our positions home for bigger targets of even for lower levels also, right? But if we open flat, same thing, we'll still stay bullish, because then this will just be a pullback, and then we can see higher levels of 18,900, 19,000 very easily, right? So even if you open flat and start crossing 18,860, you can go ahead and take a bullish position over here. Your targets will be 18,900, actually 18,865, not 18,860, right? Because from here the selling has started. So what could happen is that we could kind of make a wick up till here, then go down a little bit, then again move up, right? So your stop loss might get hit, and then the market may start moving up. So once we kind of properly cross 18,865, then go ahead and take a bullish trade. You can book some quantity near 18,900, but your target should be 18,890 on the upside over here, right? So yeah, again, same thing. Even if you open with a gap up above 18,865, wait for the first 15-minute candle. Once the first 15-minute candle's high is made, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade till 18,990 on the upside, right? On the other hand, as I said, this low is very important at 18,710. So even if the markets come down over here, if we do not see any good buying from here, we can see 18,500 first of all very easily on the downside in Nifty also. So I guess that was it for today, and most probably market should go on the bullish side from here if we do not open with a gap down. So the only problem for the bulls over here will be the gap down, until unless we do not open with a big gap down somewhere near 18,750 to 760 and 43,700 in Bank Nifty. We are very good to go ahead and reach new all-time highs from here, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I guess that was it for today, and definitely I think this week we will see a very good trending market for most part of the week. I think mostly pretty much all days, or maybe at least 2 or 3 days, we'll get very good trend on either side. So yeah, always make sure that you keep your risk to reward in control, and I think you should be ready for a very good trending market in this week, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.